Hi everybody, welcome to your assignment. Since we don't get to know each other in person, we thought it might be kind of fun to create a little visual and help us get to know you. So Canva is a really great website that Duncan uses primarily for big projects in your English class, but we're going to learn how to use it today, and it'll prepare you for those bigger projects down the road too. So you just go to canva.com, you sign up with Google, and you have a Duncan Poly account. So like mine is katie.began@duncanpoly.org. So you're going to use yours. And then it'll ask you if you want the free one. You want the free one, obviously. Now, this is a really great thing because they create a lot of templates for you. So you can kind of look through, see which one you like. Basically, what we want to do is create a little poster, if you will, a virtual poster that tells us a little bit about you. It's a fun way for us to get to know you. So there's all these really great ones. Let's see. I want something with pictures, more than one picture. Like this is really pretty, but it's only one picture. This is cute. Not quite. So as you can see, there's a lot of different options, and you should really feel free to explore. Oh, look, photo collages. This one's perfect because I can add like different photos. I like this one. Plus I love coffee, so, don't get stuck on what photos they use or even what theme, because you're going to change it all. So I can take this out and I'm going to write getting to know, I'll do my name nice and bold, Mrs. Began. So now I have my name on there, which is a very important thing to have on your assignment. And I'm going to write 3 things. So the first sentence is going to be just a sentence about things I like. So I enjoy spending time with my family, being outdoors, and reading great books. Super simple. Also, if you have book recommendations, always feel free to email me. Now, my next sentence is going to be somebody who inspires me and why. Somebody who inspires me is my dad. He always put an emphasis on education and being true to yourself, which is absolutely true and important. And then the last one, something fun. My favorite food is carne asada tacos. They are my favorite. So that's so simple. 3 little sentences or 4. If you want to add it, you are more than welcome to. And it lets me get to know you. Now, I'm going to see if I can shrink this down. Feel free to have fun with this. Play around with it. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to change my pictures. Now, to do this, I'm going to double click. I can go to my photos. Oh, look, there's tacos. I'm going to put tacos on there because I said something about tacos. Let's go school. They have all these ones on here for you already. Feel free to use these or upload your own. Oh, look, that one looks good. I'm going to leave the coffee one on there because I actually love coffee. And then let's do like a book one because I love books. Ooh, trying to keep him with the same vibe. I guess I don't really have a vibe on there. Oh, see, that's weird. Just take that off of there. Try again. There, look how nice that looks. So at first glance, I can kind of see, hey, this is a little bit about Mrs. Began. Now, have fun with it. If you want to upload your own photos, go for it. If you want to add your own text, go for it. Oh, look at this. That's cute. Do whatever your little heart desires, but I need you to tell me a little bit about yourself. So, something about yourself, your name, obviously, something about yourself, who inspires you, and your favorite food. And then let's share it. Or you can just copy the link and then paste it in an email to me. Don't do that. Okay. And that's it. So easy, so fun, and I get to know you even through virtual times. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Other than that, I hope you have fun with this.